Europe isn't just about grand cathedrals and ancient ruins. It's also home to some of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth. Let's discover them together. 1. Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. Cliffs of Moher stretch for 14 kilometers. Their dramatic drops and crashing waves have made them one of Ireland's most iconic views. 2. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia. A fairy tale of turquoise waters and cascading falls, Plitvice Lakes National Park is a chain of 16 lakes linked by stunning waterfalls, nestled in Croatia's forests. 3. The Matterhorn, Switzerland. One of the highest peaks in the Alps, the Matterhorn's pyramid shape is legendary. Its snowy summit rises like a needle piercing the sky. 4. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Formed by ancient volcanic activity, or according to legend, by giants, these hexagonal basalt columns are nature's own geometric marvel. 5. Trolltunga, Norway. Hanging 700 meters above a lake, Trolltunga, or Troll's Tongue, is a rocky cliff jutting into the sky. One of Norway's most photographed spots. 6. Northern Lights, Scandinavia. Dancing across Arctic skies, the Northern Lights in Norway, Sweden, and Finland offer an unforgettable light show, best seen in the long polar nights. 7. Vatnajökull Glacier, Iceland. Europe's largest glacier covers over 8% of Iceland. Beneath it lie active volcanoes, crystallized caves, and surreal blue landscapes. 8. Lake Bled, Slovenia. With a small island church at its center, Lake Bled is surrounded by alpine peaks and wrapped in serenity, a true Slovenian jewel. 9. The Dolomites, Italy. These jagged limestone peaks in northern Italy are UNESCO protected and offer some of the most dramatic alpine scenery in Europe. 10. Blue Lagoon, Iceland. A geothermal spa surrounded by lava fields, Iceland's Blue Lagoon is both surreal and soothing, a warm embrace in the land of fire and ice. 11. Samaria Gorge, Greece. In Crete, Samaria Gorge cuts deep through the mountains, leading hikers through towering cliffs and wild, untouched beauty. 12. Lofoten Islands, Norway. An archipelago above the Arctic Circle, the Lofoten Islands blend towering peaks, deep fjords, and fishing villages frozen in time. 13. Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock, Norway. Suspended over the Lyse Fjord, this giant cliff offers panoramic views and a thrilling sense of height. Nature's pulpit, indeed. 14. Sachsen, Switzerland, Germany. Despite its name, this gem lies in Germany. Its stone bridges and sandstone towers rise from misty valleys, a climber's and dreamer's paradise. 15. Lake Geneva, Switzerland/France. Bordered by vineyards and snow-capped mountains, Lake Geneva is one of Europe's largest and most picturesque freshwater lakes. 16. Mount Etna, Italy. One of the world's most active volcanoes, Mount Etna looms over Sicily, constantly reshaping its landscape with smoke and fire. 17. 17. Algarve Coast, Portugal. Golden cliffs, sea caves, and hidden beaches define Portugal's southern coast, where the land ends and the Atlantic begins. 18. Rila Lakes, Bulgaria. A cluster of 7 glacial lakes in the Rila Mountains, this hidden Balkan treasure reflects the skies like scattered sapphires. 19. Black Forest, Germany. Thick with pine trees and legends, Germany's Black Forest is a realm of dark woods, cuckoo clocks, and fairy tale trails. 20. Skellig Ireland. Off Ireland's rugged coast lies Skellig, a rocky island once home to monks. Now, it's famous for its beauty and its role in Star Wars. 21. Verdun Gorge, France. Known as the Grand Canyon of Europe, the Verdun Gorge dazzles with turquoise waters carving through towering limestone cliffs in southern France. 22. Lake Baikal, Russia European side. The oldest and deepest freshwater lake on Earth, Lake Baikal is a frozen wonder in winter and a mirror-like beauty in summer, a Siberian giant that touches European Russia. 23. Bohemian Switzerland, Czech Republic. This magical national park features sandstone arches, forest trails, and misty canyons that look like scenes from a fantasy novel. 24. Fjallajökull Canyon, Iceland. This tongue-twisting Icelandic canyon is a hidden gem, with moss-covered cliffs winding around a narrow, serene river. 25. Dermitor National Park, Montenegro. Snowy peaks, glacial lakes, and deep gorges define this lesser-known Balkan paradise, home to the deepest canyon in Europe. 26. Triglav National Park, Slovenia. Slovenia's only national park is a mix of alpine lakes, waterfalls, and rugged peaks, all under the shadow of majestic Mount Triglav. 27. El Teide Volcano, Spain, Canary Islands. Located on Tenerife, El Teide is Spain's highest peak, a dormant volcano surrounded by alien-like lava fields and clear skies for stargazing. 28. Lake Ohrid, North Macedonia, Albania. One of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes, Ohrid is a shimmering body of history and nature, with water so clear you can see 20 meters deep. 29. Arctic Ice Hotel and Frozen Forests, Finnish Lapland. More than just a hotel, the Arctic wilderness in Finnish Lapland is a living winter wonderland, complete with frozen forests, snowy plains, and ice architecture. 30. Göreme National Park, Turkey, Cappadocia. Though famous for hot air balloons, Cappadocia's real magic lies underground, in its fairy chimneys, rock valleys, and volcanic landscapes sculpted by wind and time. From icy volcanoes to sunlit lakes, from legendary cliffs to forgotten valleys, Europe's natural world is deeper, wilder, and more breathtaking than you ever imagined. This isn't just travel. This is wonder. This is globally wonders. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and let your imagination roam.